What are proprietary blends?
The proprietary blends are mixtures of ingredients used in dietary supplements, listed under a single name on the label. Instead of showing exact amounts for each ingredient, companies group them together. This allows manufacturers to protect their formulas, but can make it difficult for consumers to know how much of each ingredient they're actually consuming.
Why use proprietary blends?
Supplement companies often use proprietary blends to keep their recipes secret from competitors. While this can protect innovation, it may also be used to make a product seem more potent or unique. However, this practice can prevent consumers from knowing if they're getting effective or safe dosages of each listed ingredient.
Are proprietary blends safe?
The safety of proprietary blends depends on the quality and quantity of ingredients inside, which are often hidden from consumers. Without specific amounts listed, it's difficult to tell if you're getting too little, too much, or potentially risky combinations, especially if you take multiple supplements that may overlap in ingredients.
Potential risks and drawbacks.
Not knowing exact ingredient amounts can lead to unintended overdosing or interactions with medications or other supplements. Individuals with allergies or sensitivities may also be at risk. Additionally, without transparency, it's tough to evaluate if a product is effective or worth the price.
Making informed choices.
To protect your health and wellness, seek supplements that fully disclose ingredient amounts. Consult a healthcare provider before starting any new product, especially if you have health conditions or already take medications. Reading reviews, researching brands, and prioritizing transparency can help you make safer and smarter choices.